What's up everybody, this is Jay with Donley Ford of Shelby, and today I have a 2016 Ford Explorer Sport. Let's check it out. This beauty comes with a red exterior. This beauty is equipped with a trailer tow hitch package, 4-wheel drive, as well as third row seating, powered seats. Let's hop inside. As we step inside, you see that it has a black leather interior, space for big families as well as pets. Also equipped with a moonroof. Comes with a normal mode, mud and ruts, sand, and last but not least, snow and gravel mode. As you can see here, that it is equipped with heated seats as well as a heated steering wheel. If you are in the market, new or used, Explorer or not, stop down at 249 Mansfield Ave and ask for Jay.